What do we call animals that are primarily active during light? Here is the answer: nocturnal. Which digestive organ churns food with gastric acid? Here's the answer: stomach. What machine converts mechanical energy into electrical energy? Did you get it? It is generator. What celestial body is at the exact center of our solar system? Here's the answer: the sun. What is the chemical symbol for zinc? The answer is Zn. What portable device stores chemical energy to produce electricity? The correct answer is battery. Which human organ is responsible for breathing in oxygen? The answer is lungs. What does a caterpillar transform into during metamorphosis? Here is the answer: butterfly. Which is the only mammal capable of true sustained flight? Did you get it? It is bat. What optical lens is thinner at center and curves inward? Did you get it? It is concave lens. What cellular organelle packages and distributes proteins? Here's the answer: Golgi apparatus. Which group of periodic elements is chemically inert with full shells? The correct answer is noble gases. What supercontinent existed before tectonic continental drift? Did you get it? It is Pangaea. Which rock class forms from the cooling and solidification of magma? Did you get it? It is igneous rock. What organelle contains digestive enzymes to break down cell waste? The answer is lysosome. What principle states fluid pressure decreases as the flow velocity increases? That would be Bernoulli's principle. What process copies genetic information from DNA into messenger RNA? That would be transcription. Which mineral is required by the thyroid gland to make hormones? Here is the answer: iodine. What process separates crude petroleum into distinct hydrocarbon fractions? Did you get it? It is fractional distill. What law states the buoyant force equals the weight of displaced fluid? And the answer is Archimedes' principle. What equation models the rate of enzyme-catalyzed reactions with Km and Vmax? That would be Michaelis-Menten. What technique quantifies real-time exponential amplification of DNA? The answer is qPCR. What distance from a celestial body causes a tidal disruption of moons? The correct answer is Roche limit. What high-pressure magnesium silicate phase dominates Earth's lower mantle?
Did you get it? It is Bridgmanite.
What coenzyme acts as the electron carrier in mitochondrial complex II? And the answer is FAD, FADH2. What geophysical anomaly describes periodic reversal of oceanic crust magnetism? The correct answer is paleomagnetic stripes. What bound electron hole pairs transport energy without net electrical charge? The correct answer is excitons. What mineral classification describes sheet silicates like micas and clays? Here is the answer: phyllosilicates. What organomagnesium reagents are widely used for carbon-carbon bond formation? That would be Grignard reagents. What dimensionless number measures the ratio of inertial to viscous forces? The correct answer is Reynolds number. And that's a wrap. Thanks for playing along. If you enjoyed this, make sure to like, subscribe, and hit the bell so you never miss a quiz. Catch you in the next video.